Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cocktail foam. Achieving that perfect, frothy top on your drinks elevates both presentation and taste. We'll cover the essential ingredients and techniques to create stable, beautiful foam for your favorite cocktails. Whether you're a home enthusiast or a budding mixologist, these tips will help you master this impressive skill. Get ready to impress your guests with professional-looking drinks every time. There are a few key methods to achieve excellent cocktail foam. The dry shake is fundamental. Combine your ingredients, including egg white or aquafaba, in a shaker without ice and shake vigorously for about 15 to 20 seconds. This initial aeration builds the foam. Then, add ice and shake again for another 10 seconds to chill and dilute your drink. For a quicker foam, a handheld frother or immersion blender works wonders on just the foam-producing liquid. For truly perfect foam, consider these tips. Always use fresh egg whites. They yield a more stable and voluminous foam than carton egg whites. A small amount of citrus juice, like lemon or lime, can help stabilize the egg white proteins, making your foam last longer. Be mindful not to overshake, as this can sometimes break down the delicate foam structure. Practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment with your shaking technique. If your foam isn't quite right, don't worry. If it's too thin, try adding a bit more egg white or aquafaba to your mixture. Also, ensure your shaker and all tools are perfectly clean, as any grease or oil can prevent foam from forming properly. Sometimes, a slightly longer dry shake is all it takes to build that robust foam. And hey, if you're looking for other great resources, check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money and other deals. Keep practicing and you'll master it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.